Kaha, where is he? Sham. They became totally bewildered. Vibram. And now they remember Krishna's speech and they become again Vibram. So they're really torturing themselves by remembering Krishna. It's dangerous. We're told everywhere you should always remember Krishna and never forget him. This is the essence of the Upanishads. Always remember Narayan and never forget him. When the gopis are remembering this beautiful dashing hero of Vrindavan, and they're going mad, Vibram. Now the third line, Akshipta chitta pramada rama pates. So now we have a beautiful sentence. Akshipta chitta pramada rama pates. These are there's causal factors that we heard that are leading up to a conclusion or effect, cause and effect. So the effect is being given here in line 3. Chitta means the minds of the gopis, the hearts of the gopis, the very consciousness of the gopis is akshipta. Akshipta means drawn, forcibly drawn to Krishna's smile, to Krishna's beautiful speech and laughter and smiling and his pastimes. Akshipta chitta. And what is the effect of when their total consciousness is pulled out of them? Krishna's smile pulls the gopis' consciousness out of them. Krishna's glances pull the gopis' consciousness out of them, withdraws their consciousness, steals their consciousness. Manohar. What is the effect? Pramad. Because we say Brahm, or Vibram means bewilderment, confusion, disorientation. But when we say Pramad, it means Pramatak Unmad. Pramatak means an excessive degree of mud. Mada means madness. M-A-D-A. Mada means madness. It means intoxication. So the gopis have now entered a state of complete and utter intoxicated madness. In only 3 lines. And who is the cause of all this? Ramapati. Ramapati means he is the master of Raman. He is the master of amorous delight. Or you could say Rama means fortune. So this is Krishna. Pati means the Lord or Master, Ramapati. So when we say Rame, Ramapates. Akshipta chitta pramada Ramapates. Ramapates means Ramapati means simply it means Narayan. Pati means like here in Indian Hindu families they say Pati and Patni. Pati is husband, Patni is wife. So Ramapati means the husband of the goddess of fortune. But Rama means Lakshmi Devi, Rama means fortune, and Pati means Lord or Master. So Krishna, he is the Lord of the fortune. What is Krishna's fortune? Prema. Madhurya Prem, Vraja Madhurya Prem. So Akshipta Chitta Pramada Rama. So he's the Master, he's the Lord of this love and this delight, and he's stolen everything from us. Now what's left? What can we do? Then line 4 tells how do they respond to this cause and effect, this transformational experience the gopis are having in separation from Krishna. Tasta vicheshta jagrihustaratmika. Cheshta vicheshta jagrihustaratmika. They be enacted, jagru. Jagrus means they start portraying and start imitating and start acting like Krishna. Vicheshta means their activities are special activities, because usually the gopis have cheshta. We all have cheshta, actions or movements, but vicheshta means something special. Vishesh means extraordinary, exceptional. Vishesh cheshta. Vicheshta. So what is the exceptional display of their behavior or their actions? you'll hear in this chapter 30 how they display their vicheshta, their activities are wonderful, amazing, inconceivable. They start, one gopi becomes putana. That's quite a wonderful thing for a gopi to turn into a witch. And one gopi becomes Agasura and Bakasura and Trinavarta. And one gopi becomes Shakatasura and all these. So this is vicheshta. Vicheshta Jagrihus. And Taratmika. How could they get so absorbed in Krishna? Because their entire being, Taratmika, was one with Krishna. This word came up in the first verse of chapter 30, verse number 1. We had the same phrase, Taratmika. And verse number 2, Taratmika. And verse number 1, we had the phrase, what do we have? No, we don't have verse 1. We have verse 2 and 3. Verse 2 and 3 have Tadatmika. Because now they're entering, Atmika means my being. Atmika means my being, my mind, my intelligence, myself is tad, that. Tad Atmika. My being is with that. That means Krishna. So my whole being is with Krishna.